Today I'm going to show you how to add a browser icon or favicon to your Squarespace website, which is this little symbol or letter or logo or whatever you would like for it to be. So I'm going to create my favicon in Illustrator, but you can use any program you would like. I'm going to start by adding in my E. I'm going to expand it here. I'm going to get it all centered up in my artboard. This artboard is 200 by 200 pixels. You can use anywhere between 100 by 100 or 300 by 300 pixels. It just can't be larger than 300. It's going to be super small on your website. I'm going to save for web, and I'm going to make sure that I'm on PNG 24 and that transparency is selected. If I don't select transparency, then my artboard's going to have, or my favicon is going to have a little white box around it. So I don't want that unless for some reason it is intentional. So I'm going to select transparency and click save. I'm going to save it as Emily Wells Design Favicon. You can save it however you would like. Then I'm going to go back to Chrome and I'm going to go to favicon-generator.org. If you just search favicon generator in Google, it's going to be the first or second website that pulls up. So where it says generate icons for web, Android, Microsoft, etc., or generate only 16 by 16, I'm going to select only 16 by 16. If you select the top one, it's going to give you about 100 different file options, and this is really the only one that we need. And then I'm going to leave these other two things just selected. I'm going to find my file here, click open, and then click create favicon. I'm going to close this out. I'm not going to share at the moment, and then I'm going to click download the generated favicon. And as you can see down here, it downloads it as a .ico.ico. This is the file that we need. So I'm going to go back to my Squarespace site. I've already logged in. I'm going to go to design. Then I'm going to click logo and title, and I'm going to scroll down a little bit to where it says browser icon or favicon. Trash that, click the arrow, go to my favicon.ico generated file, and I'm going to upload that here. Squarespace does say that you can pop in a PNG file, but PNG is not supported by all browser types, so just to be safe, it needs to be this ICO file, and you'll have to go through the steps I just showed you. Click save. And sometimes you do have to clear your browser history and cache in order to see your favicon pop up. So I'm just going to go to history, clear browsing data, and I'm going to make sure cached images and files is selected. And I'm going to click clear browsing data. I'm in Chrome, by the way, if you're wondering. Then I'm going to go back to my website. I'm going to refresh, and that browser icon should pop up for me right here. If it doesn't, just give it a little bit of time. It might take a little bit for it to propagate. But that is how you add a favicon to your Squarespace website. I hope this helped. EmilyWellsDesign.com for more branding tips and tricks just like this one. And I will talk to you soon.